In this video, I'll show you how to add filter logic in Salesforce reports so you can control how multiple filters work together and get more precise results. Start by opening the Reports tab and selecting the report you want to adjust, then click Edit to enter the report builder. On the left panel, switch to the Filters section where you'll see all the conditions currently applied to the report. To customize how those filters interact, open the drop-down near the Filters header and choose Add Filter Logic. Salesforce automatically numbers each filter, and you can reference those numbers to define your logic using operators like AND, OR, and parentheses. For example, you might create logic such as 1 and 2 or 3 to control which records appear. After entering your logic, apply the changes and review the preview to confirm the results match your intent. Filter logic only affects the report view and doesn't modify underlying data. Subscribe for more practical Salesforce tutorials.